Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for visiting again. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my monthly subscription box that I got from Goddess Provisions. I really like this box a lot. I started subscribing to it about 1.5 years ago. This is the most recent box. I believe this would be then the March box. And I just got it today. I haven't had one of these now for a few months, so I'm really excited, seriously, like legit excited to look at it. Every time I get these, it's kind of like little gifts to myself, so if that makes sense. It's kind of like Christmas in a way. Now, they don't announce what they're going to be offering in their boxes beforehand. They will start to give little sneak peeks on their Instagram, like as they start sending the boxes out. They will give you a little preview or sneak peek of 1 or 2 items, so you can choose to look at them. I personally don't choose to look at those. I like to be surprised. I'm familiar enough with their box that I kind of know, you know, the types of items that they're going to be giving or offering, so I'm usually pretty comfortable just letting it be a total surprise. So this is my first look at it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open and I'm gonna share this with you guys now. I'm so excited. I even got my scissors. I'm all ready to go. This is what's in there at the first glance. I am so excited to dive into this. At first glance, it kind of looks like there's at least 5 items, so I'm really excited. Now, I can tell you the first thing that I'm going to dive into here with this and show you, each of their boxes comes with a crystal or a tumbled stone. I wasn't really into crystals or tumbled stones when I first started to subscribe to Goddess Provisions, so that was something new to me, but over time it's really helped me learn about them and even incorporate them into my daily life. So let me go ahead and look for the crystal here. What did they send this month? Ooh, I can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and just pull the card out here as well so I can show you that, and the card gives a description of all the items as well. I love the artwork on their cards that they send. So it says, "We are one with the earth." It's got that really pretty floral design with just the people sitting with flowers sprouting out of the top of them where their heads should be. That's really cool. I like that. So I'm going to look inside and see what it says. The monthly mantra, it says, "I tune into the frequency of Mama Gaia, and accept the call to do more to show my love and respect for this beautiful and abundant planet." So that's really cool. So it is like an earth theme. I'll show you like the little inscription. I'm sorry about my lighting. So that's how it looks on the inside, and then I'm sorry about my lighting, it doesn't really catch that well, but you can see there that it's got all the little products. So we'll go through these. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna look at the crystal first. That's always like my favorite part of the box that I get really excited about. So let's take a look at it. Serpentine, that is so cool. And it's a pretty decent size. And crystals and tumbled stones, I like to use them for different things energetically from day to day, or I like to work with them when I'm doing like moon cycle, intention setting, stuff like that. So I'm really excited for this. Let's see what serpentine is all about. It says, "Serpentine, this stone can help you discover your true ideals and take responsibility for your life." So keeping with the earth theme of the box, sounds very grounding. Work with it to connect with elemental beings and as a steward of the land. That's really cool. I love that. I love grounding stones. I love grounding energy. I'm a little chaotic. I'm very mentally active, like all over the place. So I really like grounding energy. I like grounding stones. So I'm really excited about that. So the next thing is one of the bigger items in the box here. I'm just gonna look at it. So we got, I don't know how to pronounce that, konjac. Konjac facial sponge. I've actually tried these before. I really like them. I'll go ahead and I will pull it out and I'll show you, and I'll also read the description. Ooh, so this is like a really big round kind of konjac sponge. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. I probably am. I'll mention the product. It's the Wild French Pink Clay Konjac Sponge. So you soften it in water to gently cleanse your face and stimulate skin renewal for a healthy, dewy glow. This sponge is made from a plant and 100% biodegradable. I've tried these before and I really like them. You can wet these and you can use them on their own, or you can use your cleanser with them. It's got this so you can hang it up in your shower, you can hang it on your faucet. So that's really cool. I'm looking forward to using that. So I can already see one item in here that I'm gonna pull out. I'm really excited about this. Oh my gosh. It's a candle. If you're at all like me and you have a candle problem, I have a candle problem. Most exciting thing ever. I can never have enough candles, y'all, so I'm excited. So this is just a forest candle. Let's see what it looks like inside. It looks like a pine cone and a leaf, and I'm not sure. This is kind of like coming out like moss. Oh, it's so cute. I love this, and it smells so good. I'm so bad at describing scents, but I can say it smells kind of piney, like kind of evergreen. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Yes. So the next thing here, I'm just gonna pull right out and look at it. What is this? Oh, so look at this. This is like a glass straw. These things have really become a lot more popular recently. I know, like metal straws, glass straws, to try to eliminate plastic straw waste. Or even like bamboo or paper straws that are recyclable. This is really cool. I've actually been wanting to try one of these. So this is from Simply Straws for Every Beverage. Durable, hot, you can withstand hot temperatures, dishwasher safe, can withstand cold temperatures. So that's really cool. I like that. All right, so this item, what is this? Ooh, it's a lip balm. I'm actually really excited about that because my lips are so crusty lately, like, and there's nothing I can do. Like, I've been trying different lip balms, I've been trying out different things. So this is the Wild Canyon. So it's compostable lip balm made from wildflower oils. I want to open this right now and like smell it and try it out. So it doesn't really have a scent to it, and it's in this like cardboard. Like, yeah, this is compostable, this whole thing for sure. Which, yeah, definitely fits in with the earth theme of this. So I'm excited. I'll try this out for sure. The next thing in here looks like a scarf. I'm going to go ahead and open this. This looks really cool. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty. Oh, it smells good too. I don't really wear scarves that much. I'm going to put it on right now though. I don't wear scarves that much, but I don't know. This is really pretty. You can kind of see. Oh my gosh, you guys. I might actually start wearing scarves more often. That's cute. Yeah, I'm into that. I'm totally into that for sure. That's awesome. Now the next thing that I'm seeing here, it looks like it's another little crystal. It comes in this really cute like little canvas bag. And I heard something, I kind of like caught a little bit of a spoiler on their Instagram about one of their items, and I think this is it. It's like a little crystal from Sol and Celine. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. Ooh, it is. So it's a little crystal. It looks like just a little quartz point with a flower in it. It's really cool. That's really pretty. It looks like a little yellow flower. And I did hear about these that no two of these are like the same, so there's different flowers inside of like each one of these. I will definitely use this on my little crystal grid that I have, so that's really cute. I love it. The next thing here looks like a little spray, so it has a little spray bottle on top here, but I'm not quite sure. I'm having trouble reading the label on it. I'm gonna go ahead and read the card quick to see what it is. So this is the Light Body Creations Earth Goddess Mist. So this one says, spritz this blend of juniper, cedar, and cypress, spearmint, cinnamon bark, myrrh, and vetiver essential oils on your body or in the air to reground your senses and connect to your roots. and it says that this is a $16.50 value. Goddess Provisions usually does include like a downloadable kind of free item. I've gotten from them before like lunar planning, little lunar planning guides and journals and stuff that have actually been really cool, and I've used a lot of them in the past. So this one is the Herbal Academy's 9 Familiar Herbs for Beginners. So it's access this easy to follow plant profiles and starter recipes to start exploring earth alchemy in a very hands-on way. Oh, that's cool. So they have a little guide there that you can go. I'll go ahead and I'll try to do like a screenshot, or I'll put a description down below with that website if you want to check it out. So that was it, you guys. That was my quick little video of my Goddess Provisions unboxing for their March box and their Earth theme. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've tried Goddess Provisions before, or if you tried other subscription boxes that you can recommend or that you like. I know I used to get the Petit Vour box, which is a cruelty-free like makeup and skincare and hair care items, and I really liked that. I might actually go back to trying that out again. If you have some interest in seeing that unboxing for Petit Vour, let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and comment. That all means the world to me. It's very important to know people are watching or what they think. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.